Hey, bonjour. It's Al from Al's Rolling Nut House, the bus project. Hey, today is, what is today? Golly, I don't even know. It's June something. I think it's June 8th, Sunday. So, it's been a while since I've done an update, so I want to update you. Let's see, what's happened? Plumbing and shower and bathroom. All kinds of stuff. I actually had some help today. That was exciting. Today, my daughter Karina and her boyfriend Alex came over and helped for a couple hours. That was great. I'm telling you, they were great help cutting up some wood and some upholstery stuff. I'll show you. This is for the edge of the bunks, and we got to upholster that other one up there. But yeah, we're getting a lot done here. We'll put this back. I gotta get my tools back together for work tomorrow. But yeah, let me show you what I got done. So I'll put this back in here. I've been kind of burning the candles at both ends, getting stuff done or trying to get stuff done. And not a lot happened up here in the front, other than we're using it for an upholstery shop, sort of in the lounge area, I'll call it. And but I have drains piped in, which is rather exciting. I don't know if I showed this before, but underneath there's 1.5-inch piping that goes underneath. Goes down to a gray tank, to the water tank. I think I showed that before. It's a bit of a mess back here. But now here's the bathroom, and Alex helped cut up some wood, and Karina, and putting flooring down. I haven't got any lights in here yet. Got to talk to my electrician. And but here's the shower. And making that drain and the sink drain, so when you run the faucet here and it goes down the drain, it's almost the same elevation as the trap down there, so the water almost comes up to the shower. And if you're parked on a hill, it might. So, and I haven't taken it on a test drive yet since I've installed this waste piping, but the only solution I can figure would be a separate tank and a pump and all that. And I don't know, that may be necessary, but I'm going on a long trip next weekend, leaving. It'll be a 4-day drive, I guess. And I can't tell you where, because it's supposed to be a surprise. And I'll upload that after, I guess. But yeah, I have a little challenge here. These stupid little drains on the traps just drips every once in a while, and so it's kind of a goof. And I got a nice cabinet here. This was from our friend Susie, and she's doing over her bathroom, and so I got a nice cabinet. I got to readjust that hinge there, and a nice Corian top sink and stuff. And I got me a, what do you call it, mirror vanity, what do you call them, medicine cabinet thing. I had to modify it a little bit to make it work, but that's a thrill. And we've been cutting some wood and getting ready to make a pocket door. I'm probably going to use a piece of foam board temporarily because I'll be at my wit's end trying to get this done. So, let me kind of show you what I got going on. Let me set this back in here. I got to multitask here while I'm talking. So, took out the old panels that were partitions for the back office, now bathroom, and I ran piping underneath there, 1.5 inches, and I just followed the frame rail. Let's see if we can see it in here. So, it's kind of, I gotta fasten it up there, kind of better solution. I'm gonna get some like 1-hole straps and bolt it through the side of the frame. There's some holes. And then it goes over the axle. That's the tricky part. And then goes down into the hold here. And then got the waste tank a little full so I can test drive it, so to speak. I'm excited to see it work. I am, I don't have a black tank. I'm going to be using a porta potty for this trip. And so later there will be a black tank installed. So I'm going to be, what do you call it, dumping from gray tank from 1.5 inches, and so to make RV stuff I got a Fernco and adapted it to 3-inch. So I have a nice cover here for the waist hookup. I tucked it in here. I still have to support this. That'll be tomorrow's job, I guess. I tucked it in here so that if you can see I've hit ground with the generator cradle, and it's kind of protected, but also it should go up. So there's some flexibility. I didn't glue one joint at the tank, so if I have to service it I can pull it apart, and that would also allow the system to bend a little bit, but it will be supported as well. So I'm a little curious how all that's going to work, and I'm running kind of close to the exhaust. I don't know how that's going to work out. I'm hoping once I strap things down and tighten things up that everything will be okay. Let's see if I can get a shot up here of what I did. Oh, Dougie. You can see the white pipes up there. But it's kind of tricky. And then I couldn't get this piece in here. You know, you can cut it into small pieces. Oh, there we go. And insert them across the frame rail. I chopped away at the foam, spray foam, because this thing was all spray foamed, insulated. But so I use, as an electrician, we use hot box for heating PVC pipe for bends and stuff. So I took hot box, put this pipe in there and heated it up and bent it, and then let it cool off to the angle I wanted, and then it goes down the frame rail. So let's see how that works. We'll see. I'm going to be experimental. We'll be bringing tools on this little road trip. So, so that's exciting. So anyway, I got to get back to work. I got to clean all this up, and I am exhausted. I'm ready for a nap, man. I didn't get a nap today. It was a beautiful day, and Diane is doing better. She's out of the hospital. She went for another endoscopy, and they found that her liver is, I guess you'd say, failing or something, and is in need of liver transplant. So so she sat here and hung out with us this afternoon, so that was lovely. And so in a week or so she'll return to the doctor and find out about, you know, getting on the list for transplant and all that kind of stuff, or a piece of somebody's liver, or however that works. So thank you for keeping us in your prayers on that. And one day at a time, man, is totally God's grace each day. And well, whatever you're working on, enjoy it, and enjoy the beautiful day. Man, I tell you, I don't know what time it is. It's probably getting close to 8 o'clock, but look at this. I'm telling you, the sun is just setting. It's just beautiful if you look at that sky. Just beautiful. What a gift. I'm telling you, I love looking up at the sky, seeing it. It's just awe-inspiring. And so I'll shut up now. I'm rambling on. I'm pooped. So you all have a great day. God bless. Look forward to catching you soon. And I'll be updating you, and I'll be uploading video on our trip. So that'll be fun. So meantime, I gotta get all this cleaned up and put away before work starts tomorrow. God bless. Talk to you later. Thank you. Bye.